I wonder what that could be. Ooh, US. Cool. This building has hella cameras. United States. Oh, it's got an older style door. Oh, wow, it's got the original buttons. Wow. Very simple controller. It doesn't even have a door close button. 2123 Ygnacio Valley Road, Walnut Creek. Foreign pages are completely dead. Look at those cameras. So the only button that's been replaced is the first floor call station. Metal bumper. Optical eyes. Two of them. Snickers. You're not you when you're hungry. I'm pretty hungry right now. It's like 1:30 and I still haven't eaten lunch yet. Pretty cool. That will be it.